Hi, hello. Welcome to Shivayogi YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about ncert class 10 math subject chapter 10, that is circles. Okay. So in this class I will discuss about introduction of circles or introduction to circles or learning points also I can write. So learning points are very helpful for us to study or easily understand the problems from this chapter. So that's why, so I will explain some learning points. So first one is non-intersecting and secant and tangent. Okay, so see here what is meant by non-intersecting line. This is very easy. So name itself says non-intersecting. Non-intersecting means line, it will not intersect to the circle. This is said to be non-intersecting. It means between circle and line there is no common point. No common point. Okay, then this is called a non-intersecting line. Here xy is non-intersecting line. Okay, so next I will go to second figure. This is, in this figure two common points are there. This is the one line, this line intersect a circle at 2 points. Okay, so then this is said to be secant, right? So this is non-intersecting, this is intersecting, means secant. These line segment intersect circle at 2 points. One is P and another one is Q. Okay, here two common points are there between line and circle. Okay, so xy is called secant. You can write here secant. Okay, I'll write here secant, right? This is secant. Okay, so next I will go to tangent. See, this is third figure. In this third figure, this is the line segment, that is xy. This line just it touches circle at only one point. Okay, if a line which touches or intersect the circle at only one point, then it is called a tangent. Okay, so here xy is tangent and this common point of tangent and circle is called a point of contact. So here point of contact is S. Okay, so I written here tangent intersect or touches the circle at only one point. Okay, so next one is the common point of tangent and circle is called a point of contact. Already I said common point of tangent and circle is called a point of contact. So in this figure S is point of contact, you can write. Okay, so next I will go to next point, that is a circle have infinite number of tangents. So circle have infinite number of tangents because this is the circle. Circle is made up of, or the circle contains infinitely many number of points. Okay, so if infinitely many number of points are there means, so then we will get infinitely many number of tangents. Okay, so that's why you can write here a circle have infinite number of tangents because this contains infinite number of points. Okay, so one more important point is there, that is circle has at most two parallel tangents. It means this is a circle which has at most two parallel tangents. This is the one tangent and this is one tangent. These two tangents are parallel. Only these two are parallel, but this and this is not parallel. Okay, so next this and this is not parallel. Only two tangents are parallel. You can take these two or these two or these two. Okay, only one pair of tangents are parallel. Okay, so next I will go to, so this is also very important point, is angle between tangent and radius is 90 degree. So angle between this radius and tangent is 90 degree. Okay, so in this figure xy is tangent and OP is radius. Angle between this tangent and radius is always 90 degree. Okay, so next I will go to, so next point is we can draw exactly two tangents to the circle from external point. So in this figure A is external point okay, means outside the circle. So from this external point we will draw exactly two tangents. One is this and one is this. Only we can draw here two tangents from external point. Okay. So next in this figure A is external point and AP and AQ. AP and AQ. These two are tangents from external point, that is A. Okay. Next one point is there, that is tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Tangents drawn from external point. Okay. So this is one tangent, that is AP and AQ. These two tangents always equal. Okay. So this point says tangents are equal. Okay. So if you want to any definitions, means what is meant by circle, secant, segment, tangent, sector. Okay. So I explained in my video, that is parts of circles. Just you can go to YouTube and thanks for watching. For more videos please subscribe my channel and also press bell button to get notification.